Hi YouTube fans, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into the amazing OTESALY Micro-Infusion system, which will revolutionize your at-home skincare routine. Let's get started. This rejuvenating kit is like having a mini spa in your bathroom. It boosts collagen production, anti-wrinkle, and whitening. The secret to plump your skin and deliver radiant with flash results in just 5 minutes. No more long spa sessions. Best of all, it gives spa quality effect at a fraction of the cost. Plus, it's super comfortable to use with zero discomfort, and its sterile disposal component ensure medical grade safety at home. Whether you are tackling fine lines, stubborn acne, or aiming for a brighter complexion, this kit has you covered. Inside each box, you will find 3 bottles with specialized formulas. Options include 1 vial collagen leaf, 1 vial skin rejuvenating, and 1 vial skin whitening. You can use them separately or mix them, try pairing with collagen for enhanced results to suit your needs. There's also a roller needle applicator, essential for the micro-infusion magic. Let's take a look at how to assemble and use this set. Step 1. Disinfection. Unpack the needle and sew a new needle in 75% isopropyl alcohol for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with a saline solution, wipe dry, and allow to air dry completely. Step 2. Prepare serum. Remove the bottle cap. Remember, the solution must be used on the same day after opening. Step 3. Assemble. Attach the disinfected dry needle securely onto the serum bottle top. Close the top tightly. Shake gently 2 to 3 times. Step 4. Skin preparation. Clean the face, neck, or hand with warm water. Wipe the area with saline solution and ensure hand hygiene. Step 5. Apply. Gently roll the needle across the treatment area until serum is fully absorbed. Repeat 2 to 3 times for better results. Step 6. Post-use cleaning. Remove the needle. Remember, clean and disinfect it again before storage. In just 5 minutes, you will see instant radiant glow. It's so easy to use, and you will be amazed at how fast and effective it is. What are you waiting for? Get the OTESALY Micro-Infusion System Kit and instantly transform your skin.